The Zurich Wienachtsdorf Christmas market is a magical and festive event held in Zurich, Switzerland during the holiday season. Nestled in the heart of the city, this traditional Christmas market offers a unique experience for locals and tourists alike. Visitors can expect a charming and enchanting atmosphere with beautifully decorated wooden chalets adorned with twinkling lights and festive ornaments. The market showcases a wide variety of stalls selling unique gifts, handicrafts, and delicious local food and drinks. From handmade ornaments and toys to intricate woodwork and Swiss delicacies, the Zurich Wienachtsdorf Christmas market offers something for everyone. You can find lovely souvenirs or even the perfect present for your loved ones. The aroma of freshly baked goods and mulled wine fills the air, adding to the inviting ambiance. The market is not only known for its shopping opportunities, but also for its lively entertainment. Live performances by local musicians, choirs, and street artists create a festive atmosphere and spread holiday cheer. Children can enjoy rides on the Ferris wheel or participate in various activities and workshops designed specifically for them. One highlight of the Zurich Wienachtsdorf Christmas market is the ice skating rink. Open to visitors of all ages, it provides an incredible opportunity to glide across the ice while enjoying the picturesque surroundings. Visitors can expect to find traditional Christmas decorations, handmade crafts, artwork, local products, and souvenirs, all perfect for gift shopping. The market showcases Swiss traditions, highlighting regional flavors and handicrafts. Food enthusiasts will also be delighted by the selection of culinary treats available at the market. From Swiss specialties like fondue and raclette to sweet delights such as gingerbread, roasted chestnuts, and hot mulled wine, there's something to satisfy every palate. In addition to the shopping and dining experiences, the Zurich Wienachtsdorf Christmas market often features live music performances, entertainment for children, and even an ice skating rink. Overall, it is an enchanting destination to immerse yourself in the holiday spirit and enjoy the festive ambiance. Whether you're looking to indulge in delicious treats, find unique gifts, or simply soak up the festive atmosphere, the Zurich Wienachtsdorf Christmas market is a must-visit destination during the holiday season. Make sure to bundle up, grab a cup of hot chocolate or mulled wine, and immerse yourself in the warm and joyful ambiance of this magical market.